Alam mo ba na ang Santi Pure Barley can help a natural medicine for diabetes? While it cannot completely cure you, but it can help reduce certain symptoms. Santi Pure Barley can help you manage your blood sugar and lower your cholesterol levels. It can also help you from developing other sicknesses that can worsen your condition. If you are a person with diabetes, consider incorporating more Santi Barley into your diet. And also, ang Santi Pure Barley ay mataas sa fiber. Ibig sabihin, ito ay nakakatulong sa inyong digestions. Mas madali din itong makabusog at mabuti para sa taong may diabetes. Mataas rin ang Santi Pure Barley sa plant-based potassium, vitamin C, vitamin B, calcium, and folic acid. Mas mataas ang posibilidad ng mga taong may diabetes na magkasakit. Kaya upang maiwasan ito, kumain